This right here is the first ever watch from Panama, a country known for its vibrant culture, stunning landscapes and an iconic canal that connects two oceans. It's not a place you'd immediately associate with watches. Until recently, no watch brand called Panama home. But that changed with Leman watches, a new micro brand that combines rich culture and tradition with the craftsmanship of watchmaking. When I first saw the Leman Panama on Kickstarter, I knew I had to back it. I mean, how cool is it to be a part of a country's first ever watch release? What really stands out about this watch is how it draws inspiration from Panama's culture. The dial is inspired by the Panama hat, and it's these little details that make this watch special. For Panama's first ever watch brand to incorporate its culture into the design like this, it really adds something unique. There's not many watch brands from the region in general, so it's really cool to see a new micro brand. I finally received a Leman Panama last month. The watch came with two leather straps, one black and one brown, both with quick release systems. I do believe the additional strap was a Kickstarter exclusive bonus. But I've got to say, these straps feel amazing. It's very often you see watch brands ship their watches on mediocre straps that you end up replacing yourself. But not with this one. The leather is firm yet comfortable on the wrist, and with the 20mm lug width and quick release system, switching out the strap is super easy. Taking a closer look at the specs, we have a 38mm stainless steel case, 45mm lug to lug, and a 7.2mm thickness. This watch has a double dome sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating. Inside it's powered by a Miyota 6P20 quartz movement, offering an accuracy of around ±20 seconds per month. And to mention, this watch comes with a 1-year international warranty. Now flipping the watch over, the case back features an engraved Harpy Eagle, Panama's national bird. Another nice detail is the Leman logo on the crown. But the real standout feature here is the dial. Its texture is inspired by the iconic Panama hat, a unique design element I haven't seen before. Dare I say, it's the first watch with a dial inspired by the Panama hat. What's interesting is that while the Panama hat originally comes from Ecuador, it gained its global fame through Panama's role as a key export route. The design is a brilliant way to honor both countries' cultural history, adding a sense of authenticity to the watch. And of course, this is a moon-phase watch. You've got two subdials, one for the day and one for the date, with the moon phase display down in the middle. Now this watch comes in 3 color options. The beige version, which is the one I chose. In my opinion, it feels the most connected to the Panama theme and reminds me the most of the Panama hat. There's also an all black dial with contrasting white subdials, and a monochrome version with a bold black stripe running through the middle. All 3 versions retail for $229. Sure, there are other moon phase watches in this price range, but few offer a truly unique design with cultural inspiration. In general, choosing a micro brand is all about getting something truly unique, with its own story and design. Something you won't find with the big names. So if you're interested in picking up the Leman Panama, you can use my discount code WRISTFINDS10 for 10% off your purchase. Honestly, after wearing this watch for a month or so, I hadn't found anything to complain about, until I started filming for this video. While reviewing the footage, I noticed the misaligned seconds hand. You might have already spotted it. It doesn't hit the markers precisely. To be fair, this is a fairly common issue with quartz watches, often due to the stepping motor moving the hands in small increments. Slight play with the gears or movement tolerance can cause this misalignment. It's not a flaw unique to this watch, and even well-known brands can have this issue. But after noticing it, I reached out to Leman watches, and they told me they haven't seen this issue before. It doesn't seem to be a widespread issue with this model, so I may have just received an unlucky unit. Personally, it's not a deal breaker, but I understand why it might be an issue for some. Still, despite that, it's a well-designed watch with a unique story, and for the price, I think it brings solid value. So, do you think the Leman Panama could be the start of a new wave of watchmaking in the region? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to explore more unique watches. Thank you for watching and see you next time.